I know they're around here somewhere. I mean, my audio files, they keep disappearing. Holy, holy, holy. Now the hard part. Now, if I'm lucky, which I'm not, I should just slide on there. I'm assuming I'll need a few modifications. Hey. There we go. Perfect. So there you have it, a mantle. This is made out of a solid chunk of white oak, 8 inches by 6 inches, came out of a 100-year-old barn. I still have about another 8 feet of it, so I might be doing something else in the future. But this is a lot of fun to work with. Anytime you get a chance to work with a large slab of white oak, it's fun. This was not exactly what I would want to do, but this was made for some friends of mine, and they wanted the little darker color. They wanted the gloss finish on it, and so I was able to get them exactly what they were looking for. Maybe I'll do one for my house and do it a little bit differently, because I like a little bit more of the natural color in there. But it was a lot of fun to work with a big piece like this. This one particularly was a little bit easier because I had the 2x4 sticking out to mortise in. It goes together really nicely as opposed to some of the other methodologies of how mantles are attached. But I'd love to hear your ideas on this. What would you think I should do better? If you have any comments or concerns, ideas, let me know those down in the comments below. So I think that'll about do it for now. If you do have any other thoughts, let me know those. And I do want to say thank you to all the patrons on Patreon, members here on the channel, people who've clicked that join button, everyone scrolling over here on the side. You are literally the reason that these videos keep coming. If you like that and would like to help out with that, you can find out more about Patreon down below or click the join button. But I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. If a woman tells you something, why is it that people call it gossip? And a man tells you something and people call it Mantel?